Hey US History, welcome to week 2 of remote learning. So this week we are continuing to meet on Monday and Wednesday. The time has shifted just slightly, so we'll be meeting from 11:15 until 12 this week. So Dawn sent out new updated Zoom invites, and that should automatically update and change on your Google Calendar as well. If you ever can't get into class or have issues, I'm putting the Zoom links right here in the checklist. So those will be available on Summit for you to pull up there as well. So if you remember last week, we worked on the US and the World essay, and the goal is to have your final essay finished and submitted by Monday. So you want to make sure that you get that done and get that turned in. This week, we're going to be starting on our new project, which is looking at social movements. And we're going to introduce that topic by starting with the civil rights movement. And we're going to specifically look at the arc of the civil rights movement from the very beginning to modern day. And we're going to look at that through the lens of the Black Lives Matter organization. So on Monday, we're going to look in checkpoint 1. There's an activity in there called Black Lives Matter Timeline Activity. And so that starts all the way back during the Civil War and explains the different events or pieces of the timeline in African American history up until the current Black Lives Matter group movement of 2019-2020. So you guys will be filling out a timeline on that. And then throughout the rest of the week, you're going to choose 2 other current source analysis documents to look at. So in checkpoint 1, there is a primary source analysis document that has all the primary sources listed in there. And then there's a current source analysis worksheet that you're going to work through and use to analyze those documents. So in the reading or in the checkpoint, you'll see that it says to choose 3 documents. We're going to eliminate one of those, and you only need to look at 2. So you're going to look at 2 documents and then copy and paste all of that information into the checkpoint 1 document. So that's going to be the whole week is going to be spent on that piece. And then moving forward, I'll show you in Summit what we're going to do with that information. So again, this is the checklist and it's attached in Summit. So when you go into this social movements past and present and you scroll down where it says description here, I'm going to copy and paste that in. So it'll say week 2 and it'll have that checklist in there with those links. In checkpoint 1, again, we're going to look at this Black Lives Matter timeline, and we're also going to look at the primary sources and the current source analysis. So that's going to be the project for this week. And then moving forward, you guys are going to pick another social movement that you want to research or you want to look more in depth at. And so checkpoint 2 has a whole list of examples or ideas for that. And then you guys will find primary sources or find resources to use in your research to be able to explain that. And then you're going to be putting together a presentation to explain your topic to the rest of the class. And so we'll be spending the rest of the year kind of on that research piece, putting together your presentation, and then actually sharing that out with the rest of the class in this lesson piece. So I hope that that makes sense to you. If you guys have questions, if you need anything, feel free to give me a call, or you can also email me. And then I will continue to send out updates or send out reminders after each class of what we cover each day as well, so that if you need to go back and look at what we did, if you miss a class, it'll all be available for you there. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and if you need anything, let me know.